In this video, we'll go over how to access and use the features of the DiPietro Library website. To access the library website, you can either go to libguides.franklinpierce.edu/DiPietro, or you can head to eRaven and click on the link to the library in the upper right-hand corner. Either way, we recommend bookmarking or starring this page in your browser so you can return to it with ease. The first thing you may notice on the library website is the search bar at the center of the page. When you enter terms in the search bar, it searches all of the materials the library owns, but we recommend using it to search for books and movies rather than journal articles. To learn more about how to search the catalog, be sure to watch the How to Find a Book video. To the right of the Library Catalog tab is the Journal Finder, which you can use to find specific titles like the New York Times or the New England Journal of Medicine. The tab to the right of the Journal Finder is the Subject Guide tab, where you will find an A to Z list of all the research guides librarians have created. You can also see the entire list of guides under the Research Guides tab on the left side of the page. If you're looking for articles on your topic, we recommend searching in one of our library databases, which you can find under the Databases button on the left side of the page. If you know the name of the database you're looking for, you could enter its title in the search bar in the upper right-hand corner. You can also look at the recommended databases for your subject by going to the drop-down menu under All Subjects and selecting your subject. For more information and a demonstration of searching in library databases, be sure to watch the How to Search in Library Databases video. If you've searched our catalog and databases and haven't found the specific title or article you're looking for, you can always submit an interlibrary loan request, the link to which is on the right side of the library homepage. Be sure to watch the How to Use Interlibrary Loan video before submitting your request. If you have a question about your research, the library offers a Chat with a Librarian feature. Whenever a librarian is available to chat, the Chat with a Librarian button will appear on the right side of the page. If you want to schedule a longer in-person appointment with a librarian, use the Make a Research Appointment button on the right side of the page. Lastly, you can find contact information for the library in the lower right-hand corner of the page. Contact us via phone, text, email, or chat, or visit us in person during our operating hours, which you can find on the left side of the library homepage. We're happy to help you.